Let me know if it works. Oh, 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 oh. It's like 2020, right? Yo, can you hear yourself? Can you hear me? Is everything good? Oh wait, no, I don't have Oh, sorry, I don't have Mac OS editor capture. There we go. Desktop. Yeah. Okay, can you hear yourself? Can you talk?
I can't hear anything.
Oh.
Oh, actually, you are very faint.
Hello,
Hello, hello,
hello.
hello, hello.
Can you
Can you
hear me
hear me
now?
now?
Oh shoot, I gotta wait for the screen delay to.
Oh
Oh
yeah.
yeah, you're right, you're right, you're right.
Yo.
Yo,
What's
what's
chat
chat
looking
looking
like?
like?
What's
What's
up,
up,
chat?
chat?
Nobody
Nobody
watching.
watching.
One
One
concurrent
concurrent
viewer.
viewer.
You know
You know
the
the
vibes
vibes
tonight.
tonight.
All right.
Right.
Okay.
Choppy
Bones.
bones.
All
All
right.
right.
All
All
I
I
have
have
is
is
this
this
screen.
screen.
I
I
have a
have a
main
main
screen
screen
that
that
brings
brings
me
me
to
to
my
my
code,
code,
and then I
and I
have a
have a
BRB.
BRB. Yep, I got a BRB.
All right, chat. Today we're gonna program this program. Right now I am doing this clicker game where you click to get aura. All right, and I'm gonna try to implement. Here, let's let's do this right. So, but first, oh my bad. Hold on. Okay, first order of business. Hold on. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is kind of do implement buttons for, I'm gonna say like implement store system, right? These are my to-dos. To do. I need to, well, I need to implement store system, so like upgrades, stuff like that. I need to find a way to add store items to the page, right? So what I'm trying to do is try to put a thing right here, right? So it's like kind of click clicker. Let's say I get like 20. Once I get like 20, I can click this. I can spend 20 aura to get like another upgrade so I can get more aura. I don't know how to do that yet, so we're gonna start googling. Chat. Shoot. All right. No, we are not vibe coders here, chat. No AI. Minimal AI use. Hopefully, minimal AI use. Okay. No, I don't know why I kept vibe. My bad. How to add properties to objects? No. How to add a button. How to make button appear in Java or HTML. JavaScript. So what I want to do is once this happens, shoot. No, I'm not coding IntelliJ. I do use IntelliJ for one of my classes, Java, missed this advanced Java class, but I'm using VS Code right now for this web dev stuff, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'm very beginner though. I don't honestly don't. I'm taking a web dev 2 class right now, but like it's all right. It's kind of the curriculum kind of cooked, so that's why I'm trying to do this by myself. Okay. Create button. So create element. Is this more efficient to create like a new one every single time? Cause like once I want to press it. Oh yeah, when I meant what you did in IntelliJ. Oh, this is what I have in IntelliJ right now. Shoot, where are my other projects? This one. This is just like a homework assignment I'm doing right now. It's like a math question generator quiz. But I low-key, it didn't pass all the tests because for some reason it's like not, I don't know, because like it's like it's a lab in this thing called Zybooks, and Zybooks is like super weird with the labs. So I haven't really completed it yet, but I'm still, chugging along through Java. I understand some of it, like the getters and setters and like all that kind of stuff. But it's like, I don't know. I have minimal trust in Java sometimes. Because like, I know like all like the interviews and all the job stuff I see online, at least like they want people who do Java, but like all the tutorials I see is all like Python and stuff like that. So yeah, like yeah, it's most of this is like kind of like it was already implemented. I just had to like do these to-dos. So nothing too crazy. So all right. Oh shoot, my bad. What kind of dev you want to be? Well, my first thought was like front end or full stack. So like more focus on front end, but like I guess a little bit of back end I can learn. But at the same time, like I feel like with coding at least, like AI is like taking over a lot. So I want to do more creative stuff. Like I dabbled a bit in game dev, and I dabbled a bit. Yeah, it's just game dev, but I got a little lazy. I tried to do the Brackeys game jam. I just didn't like the theme, and so I was stuck the whole time. But yeah, I'm just chugging along. All right. So implement a button. So I have to make new button. Button. New and test contact. Click me. So as a new button, there's new text content, and then get element. Append the new button. Do you do any coding? I don't know how to say your name. PQDRO. Are you a fellow coder? Let me see new ability. New item? Let me see new item. Or do I have to make this a separate thing? Kinda. What do you do? Do you just dabble, or do you like? Did you at least attempt to? I'm just gonna hold on. I'm just gonna do this. Get rid of this for now. Software there, I don't really mess with web. So you just do like random software, like do like backend server stuff, or because I feel like there's a lot of like good opportunities, at least for like the server side stuff, but like DevOps and stuff. But I just can't. I don't really know anything about that, honestly. Like cloud engineering and stuff like that. That's probably way too crazy though. Document. Create element. Oh wait. So if you want to create a button, wait, dynamically create a button and add it to the specific container. Click function alert button clicked. Oh wait, I don't know if this is what I'm looking for. Create an infrastructure, because the button already exists here. Oh no, the container exists there. I see. So if I want to do anything in Java, doing some C stuff. Okay. That's good. I feel like a lot of jobs nowadays want like the basic stuff, like C++, C#, Java, stuff like that. Because I feel like Python is really good to learn, but like I feel like if I want to have a leg up, or at least like a good understanding of coding, I feel like like going Java or even like C and stuff like that is a good way to go. I think they describe it as like the bracket coding, where you just like put everything in brackets, stuff like that. It's really good to learn. Because I'm taking a class in DSA, data structure and algorithms, and it's like, I don't know, it's bruh. It's really bruh. But I know like you need that for job interviews and stuff. But I haven't dove too deep into it yet. I only learned binary search. That's it. And like linear searching as well. I think that's what it's called. So div. Button container. Right? Yeah. So button create element button. So it creates a new element, and then you append the new element to the new container. Okay. I see. But how do I do that for like multiple things though? Is there like a way to like copy and paste? Not like copy and paste, but like do stuff. You should definitely try object-oriented programming. It's fun to learn. Yeah, Java is basically mostly object-oriented, but the curriculum at my college is kind of like, I mean, it's a community college, so it's like, I don't know. It's all right. It's like a lot of self-learning for my part. Create element button. So create a button, the new item dot oh, but wait, I want to add an image though. Click me. So, equal sign. document, target element. Element by ID, then my button container. Append. Oh, oops. Append child. New button. Is that what it is? So, new item. Has text content, click me. Is there CSS for this as well? Or should I put it under button as well? I'll just do it. I'll put it on the button as well. ID equal button. Oh, but wait. It's gonna. I'll do equals. I'll do items. Oops, lowercase items. New item. New item. New button. Oh no, you're right. Yeah, new item. My bad. New item. Okay. So it creates an element of button and appends it to this new item. Or no, appends the button container to the new item. Just this. I'm gonna put ID just for all my items. Hashtag item. Or sorry, items. Because what I want to do is do a grid. Shoot, I forgot to do that. My item center. A grid, bro. Okay, hold on. I'll show. Is there like a notepad I can use? Let's do draw Xcalar. What's it called? Excalidraw? Yeah, Excalidraw. Let's draw it out. So basically, I'm trying to do get element class. Remember you used the get element ID, but use class instead. I did. Oh, you're right, right. So I need to button container. But I wonder, cause can I do a get element in my class, or is that too crazy? Oh, I can do that by class name. Oh, that's funny. I'll keep it as a class. But I want an ID to have items. See all this. Save. Oh shoot, what am I doing? So okay, so the plan is I have the button, right? Which is this, the click me button. Oh shoot. So I have the click me button here. Right? And then on the bottom, or the sides. Maybe the sides. I want to have like item pops up, item pops up, item pops up, item pops up. Kind of like cookie clicker. Cookie clicker. Type. Clicker concept. Or clicker. Or I named it brain rot clicker though. Get elements by class name or choose an array. Doesn't it choose an array? Let's search it up. Google. Get elements by class name. Hey, documents. So it gets elements with the classic example. Get elements with both by class name. It returns a collection of elements with a specified class name. Returns HTML collection. Oh, I think it's good. Document class name. Yeah. Should be good. Hopefully, I guess we'll see if it works. So I get all the classes and append it to a new item. But wait, do I want to do that though? Because if I want to create a new, if I want to replicate it, is there a way to do like classes in JavaScript? So like let's say I can do like a class that creates these items, right? And then I make a new object, kind of like Java, where it's like, let's say the class, like, oh, create new, or create item equal new create type beat. I wonder if there is. Is there a class system in JavaScript? These don't use class the same way as Java, however, Java includes class syntax for a structural way to create objects and implement object-oriented programming concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Class can be defined as follows: constructor, this one, that. You can instance of operator. Take of an object is a class. Okay. So maybe what I can do is it creates can create a new creates a new item. Oh wait, no, because I can like initialize it. What am I saying? It creates an item with properties. Let's say like it has. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna. Because what I have so far is that whenever it reaches, let's say 20. So I'll expand this out. Whenever it reaches 20, the interval that it clicks at gets higher, so it goes to 11 or 1 plus 10, but then it costs 20 points. But what I can do is just create a class where it creates methods. It creates like there's like a or am I thinking too deep about this? Is there like did I just do a tutorial on how to use, man. Rico, you still on the call? What do you think I should do? Should I vibe code this? Create a cookie clicker game in JavaScript. So I feel like if you create a new button, right, and I click that button, it's gonna have to do something. So like, do the upgrade. Like, I add another event listener. Like, if that new item was pressed, do I have to really do this manually? Like, everything manually? Click, and if it clicks, like, whatever this is, right? Button dot, oh wait, no. Oh wait, no, because it, okay, elements, document dot get elements, class name, child, appended item. Do I have to do, no, can I do this? New item. Oh, try. Get element by ID. I guess I can just do no ID, bruh. I'll just do ID. ID equals, I'm gonna say item 1, right? Because once you click container, append the new button. Okay, document. Okay, element by ID. Get element ID item 1. No items, no item. Create a button. Oh wait. It's a button. Document I give a container new button. Item. Create method to create a new button element and append to the div with the ID of a container. Okay. Then we just do item 1. I'm just gonna copy this. Just change the. Okay, so another click me right here, right? Oh, it's right here. Okay. So now. Oh, it's not center. I'll just do left. Zach, can I do that? Flex direction column. We'll do row. There you go. So I got 1. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So I. Oh wait, I should only. I should put this in a if statement, right? So, if it reaches 20 points, a new button appears. Right. Yo! Shoot. Okay. I don't know how that works though. Button pressed. Upgrade 1. So it just spawns new upgrades. Wait, so if points equals 20, right? It spawns a new button. It spawns on the left side. Right, and then if that button gets pressed, if oh wait, no, there's already a thing here. So if it's click, what would it be named? Button pressed. Oh wait, maybe I have to do this in a different thing. Wait. If button is pressed. Do I even need two? I can just do one function though. So const click upgrade. Oh wait, that doesn't make sense. So click the number above 1.1. Should add a listener inside. Yeah, I was thinking that too. But is that kind of weird though? So let's do button, new item. Dot add event listener. So if it clicks, if you click it, it does. Should I just put a function in a function? Is that weird? Item dot listener. Yeah. But like the listener needs something here. So should I put like a const? Am I thinking this too hard? Because if it clicks, we gotta do the thing you do. Okay. Function. Oh, whoops. Let's say upgrade. I'll just do upgrade. I'll just do a let since it's block something. Let upgrade. Put on top actually. Oops. Let upgrade equal interval plus equal 10. Okay, so wait, does that work? Does that work? Let's try it out. So, oh shoot. Wait, what is it? What does it buy? Wait, what? Hold on. Wait, wasn't this weird? So if you can pass a second parameter and an arrow function, by the way, like that's true. Wait, parameter in here, right? Because like the thing about JavaScript that confuses me is the difference between this, like a normal function, like let's say function, random function, you know what I'm saying? Doing the normal thing like this, or doing that arrow stuff where you put it as a, you know what I'm saying? And then you go like, or do the equals this, arrow. It's kind of confusing to me. I don't know the difference between these two. I just know like when you do call this, you have to put the parentheses. So you do that if you call that, or you can call like this when it's not a constant. But I don't know. You get some 1, then 10 by the way. Wait, you make it some 1 and then 10. Wait, I'm confused now. Oh, wait. Is it because whenever I click the new item, Wait. Because whenever I press it, I call this. That's why it's always adding the upgrade thing. But I just want, when I get to $20 points, once I click, it's gonna spend the 20. Actually, I'll just do it. Okay, hold on. I'll just try to do it. Upgrade 1. Upgrade 1. Okay. And all it's gonna do is do interval plus equals 10. And then minus 20. Oh, and then, hold on. And then aura, or the points, minus 20. Actually, I need to do the... Okay. So it goes to 20. Click. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna make it disappear. Right, make it disappear. Wait, what? What is happening? Upgrade 1. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, no, never mind. Points equals 0. But that would just reset the whole points. It works isn't until it renders the diff, though. Yeah. Because, sure. So what I want to do... So... Let's get to 20 points. It appears. I could spend it. But I think it just doesn't update. Yeah, it doesn't update the... Because point on inner HTML aura. Do I have to do it? Maybe you don't do interchange or something like that. I don't like the vanilla script. Oh, React. I know that's like the end goal to use React. Internet, something like that. Yeah, I think I have to call this again to update it. Or is that too much? Oh, there you go. Spend 20. And now I upgrade. Yo, spend 20. Oh my gosh, it works. Oh, it works. Oh, it's actually hype. Oh, shoot. But I need to... Now I just need to make the button disappear. Oh, shoot, oh, shoot, oh, shoot. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, yeah, because I kind of stacked it. Okay. How to make button disappear when pressed HTML JavaScript. I think once I create an item, I could also put like images over it. And so eventually it is going to be an image. But yeah. Document on click function. Display. Hold on. You can use the hidden. No, just display none. That's weird. Using display now, remove the button from the layout completely, whereas visible hidden. Okay, so I'll just do this. Get element ID button on click function. Is there like a simpler way to do that? Can you not just do like the event listener, or is there? Start display none. Yeah. It's kind of a lot though. So when I click it, well, it's kind of weird though because click upgrade 1. So when the click happens, upgrade 1, you make it so your upgrade changes to 10 plus 10. Your points go, or you spend 20 points. The button disappears. So you add all this stuff, documents. Dot get element by ID. And then you do the button, which is item 1. And then dot. Wait. You check if aura points are below 20. Oh, that's true. You should check if aura points are below 20. Make an advantage though. But I feel like that shouldn't affect anything because it only appears when it is 20. And so once it's 20, it goes down, disappears. Oh, but wait, but once it goes to 20 again, it might change. I want to wait completely. Oh, shoot. Okay, hold on. So I'll just try to make it work for now. So get element ID dot on click goal. Wait, is this a bad practice right here, chat? This dot style dot visibility. I don't even know the thing. Hidden. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay. So my aura is now 20. I click it. Oh. It is definitely not gone. Item 1. Oh, it's because I did create element button. Shibar. Oh shoot, my mom. Hold. Wait, where's my OBS? Hold. Alright, I'm back. Be back. Oh my gosh. I've used so much brain power. A little too much brain power. So I got 20. I spend it and I click It does not go away. ID my button. My button hidden. I have one. Point dot. I wonder why it's not doing that though. On click. So once I click my button, or does it? It creates the element of a button. The text content is click me. Get the element ID, item 1, and append the child. Or append new item to the element. And add the event listener, item 1. You're from the US, yes, US. I am American, but my heritage is Indonesian. Hey, Shibar. This dot style dot visibility. Did I spell even? Did I spell right? Oh wait, I didn't. Oh wait, no, I did. Visibility. Yeah. Oh wait, I didn't. Wait, I'm so dumb. Is that why? It's Loki like it's probably Loki why. I get 20 aura. Click. Oh, I did it! I did it! Oh my gosh! I did it! It actually works. Wait, but now I need to do it for every single one though, because it calls it every single time I press it. But now I need to find a way. You don't live in the US? PQDRO? The US looking kind of downhill right now, I ain't gonna lie. It's getting crazy. But you know, we still here. We out. We out here. Rico, I did it. Okay, so now I have to click me. What should I name my first ability? Like, what would get you plus 10 aura, Enrico? Yeah. I'm a Sothi. A Sothi? I actually never heard of that. Is that like talking about like South America or South Africa? I'm gonna do wait, yeah, Enrico, what do you think will give you plus 10 aura? So post TikTok plus 10 aura. Okay, let's see if this works. So I click to get more aura. Post a TikTok. Should I post a TikTok? I'll post a TikTok. Boom. Oh wait, not plus 10 aura. Plus 10. Plus 10 aura. Aura points per click. Wait. Wait, how do I do this? So plus 10 aura per click. I'll fill in the blanks. I just want to get the stuff down first. So okay, what's here? 20 aura. Yo, I unlocked a new ability. Post a TikTok. Plus an aura per click. Yo. Shoot. Cost 20. I'll worry about visuals later. Okay, so now I just need to do this more. Okay, because I wonder if I can do, if I can keep, hold on. I just need to be replicable. Wait, so if yeah, so that won't work. Am I able to do like a, it just constantly checks. So while aura points are greater than 0, oops, I did this doc so wrong. So while points are greater than 0, greater or equal to 0, it can run wait, do I need to run this the whole time? I'm a Southie. Yeah, South America. I see. While points is greater than or equal to 0, I gotta make it so there's all this runs. So what if I do this? Gotta be power move here. Put it all in a while loop. Oh, okay, I don't know if this works. Oh. Wait, Loki crashed my chat. Hold on, this actually Loki crashed my thing. Wait, it's actually crashed my thing. Hold on. Wait, hold on, go back. This whole thing it just crashed my, oh my gosh, that was a bad idea. This was a bad idea. Oh my gosh, wait, it's like Loki like breaking my stuff. I'm cooked. There's probably a better way to do this. Okay. Yeah. I'll be back, chat. Don't worry. We got it. We got it up and running again. Top 10 mistakes. Gotta go. See a PQDRO. I'm assuming it's Pedro. Hopefully I'm not racist. You have a go on. Shout out Pedro. That's my guys. Shout out South America. I'll be here. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see. I'm just a small streamer, you know. Type. Oh wait, it's not even working anymore. Wait. Oh yeah, because of this. Grade 1. So when the button clicks, okay. When the button pressed. Maybe I put the if statement. I make this upgrade 1, and then I put all this. I'll put this. Hold on. Ready? If points equals 20, and then I do the upgrade 1. Right, the upgrade 1 function, and which would be this. Right, so I can low key make it this. Just select all that. $20 per click. Yo, this is so hype, Enrico. Oh my gosh. This is actually, yo. I'm getting a rush. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, nice. Okay, now, let's do upgrade 2. Best way to do that. Let's do, oh, shoot. Item 2. Item 3. Wait, why is it going down? Item 3. Oh, because it's a paragraph. It's fine. Oh, wait, maybe I should make it H1. There we go. There we go. I'll put it above. I'll put above the divs. There you go. Look at the aura. Look at the aura. Then bang! Post TikTok. Okay, now let's do. Actually, instead of 20 clicks, low-key might just do like. I'll do like 30 clicks, right? And you want to get more aura. Okay. Right? So if we just copy and paste this one more time. But then I do upgrade 2. And item 2. Right, item 2. Aura points. Click upgrade. Oh wait, upgrade. Upgrade 2. Upgrade 2. Okay. But now instead of post aura on TikTok, let's do. This will give you. I'm gonna say. Hold on. So if points equals 1,000. So if your aura points equals 1,000, upgrade 2. Okay. All right. So Mog. Enrico. Oh, wait, Enrico. What do you think will get you a lot of aura? Well, so I need 1,000 aura to do this. So what do you think? I need 1,000 aura to buy it, and it's gonna cost. Well, it's gonna activate. You're gonna see it once you get 1,000 aura, but I'm gonna make it so it costs like 500 or probably 750. Actually, no. Actually, no. This is 2,000. This is 2,000. Yep. And then you get 100 aura from it. You get 100. You get interval of 100. Yeah. So like, what should I do? Like, Mog's professor. Actually, no. I'm gonna do aura farms during basketball. Actually, I don't know. What gives you? What do you think? Like, would happen if you get a lot of aura? You know what I'm saying? Let's see how to get aura. Aura. What do you think? How to make your aura glow to improve your aura? Aura Gen Z. Where's like a Gen Alpha thing? Aura points. How do you get aura points? Oh, let's say like you do a backflip in front of the Huz. That's aura. That's plus 100 per click. That's actually so much aura, and it costs 1,000. All right. Let's see if that works. So I'll click. I get 20, right? Oh, wait. Wait, what happened? I'm into my button. Hold on. Oh wait, what happened to my button? Oh, I accidentally made it 30. Okay, yeah. So you get cost 20. Bam. Now I get a lot of aura. Now I just need 1,000 aura. Hold on. Ooh, I'm aura farming. Okay, ready? So I get 1,000. Oh shoot. Wait, this is awkward. Where's the button? Create button. Is it because maybe I have to do a let. Let me do a let upgrade. Okay, let me do a let here too. Okay, so I need to get 30 aura. 30 aura. Boom. Now I can aura farm. Yup. And then once I get to 1,000 aura. Oh shoot. Why is this not working anymore? Upgrade 2. Let new item equal or dot. Do you have to make it a new thing? So like, or new item, like new item 2, new item 2. Is that what it's doing? Cause get element ID by item 2, append child. So you create a button. Let's see here. So okay, post TikTok. I posted TikTok. I'm getting so much aura now. Yep. And then once I get 1,000, oh, where's my aura? Item 3. Where is thy aura? Get element by ID. Yep, ID item 2. Just about right. Yep, item 2. Wait, why is my aura going down right now? Do backflip in front of the Huz. Create element button. New item. Oh, new item 2. New item 2 to go content. Is that why? New item dot events list circle click. Good too. Okay, hold on. Oh, aura went to 0 again. I gotta. Okay, aura per click. Boom. It's not working. I have no aura. Oh shoot. Oh wait, I think it's not doing it because of this. So let's just do that. Let's do item 2. Maybe it's the problem. That was probably the problem. Okay, boom. It's working, chat. Please. Please. Oh, it's not here. Wait, what's happening? Why is it? Oh, my aura farm. I think it's like new item dot text content, right? Document dot element right. Append child new item 2, right? So yep. New item 2, new item 2, new item 2. Let upgrade 2. Oh wait, am I not calling it? Yeah, upgrade 2. If points, upgrade 2. Upgrade 2. Upgrade 2. Upgrade 2. Yep. Let upgrade 2. Interval dot 100 points. Get element on click. You make it hidden, and then you update your aura points. Add event listener click upgrade 2. Upgrade 2. Upgrade 1. One click upgrade 1. Yep. It should work. Do I just not have enough aura? Points. Okay, let me reduce it to 500. Let me reduce it to 500 just to like see if it works. Oh, wait, it's not even showing. My other aura is not showing up anymore. Wait. Oh wait, because it's 30. I forgot. Yeah, 30. Okay. Oh, because it's not exactly 500. It has to be like greater than or equal to. Wait, let's see. Let me see. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. So what if I go past 30? It has to be greater than. Oh my gosh. Greater than or equal to. That's why, Enrico, I found it out. It's because it's trying to find the exact value of 1,000, but obviously you're not gonna get that because you have so much. Like the aura is not like exactly 1,000. So we have to go greater than 1,000. Boom! So now if I do a backflip in front of the Huz, it costs 1,000. Now I'm getting a lot of aura. Ooh! Okay, now I'm gonna do like okay, now I'm gonna do a third one. Upgrade 3. Do I need to change all these? I feel like I don't. Oh wait, no, I do. Element 3. Element 3. But I don't think I need to upgrade, or I need to update these new items. I don't think I need to do that. Okay, what's another thing to do aura to get aura, Enrico? Sing. What if I sing opera? Is that like aura? I'm gonna say walk through. No. What What's better than doing backflip in front of the huzz? Step. Actually, no, that's not. That's there we go. That's not aura enough, man. Come on, that's not aura enough, man. That's not aura. Negative aura.
Negative aura.
How to get more aura points? Can't believe I'm switching this up. Aura point system explained.
Aura point system explained.
This is like a video game, bro.
No, you gotta be kidding me.
Did you fail the grade confidently? Bump into. What if, like, you know what gives you so much aura? Like, hold on, I need to Gen Z. Like, I feel so old right now, but like I'm like literally Gen Z. Aura farming methods. When you look tough, no way he wasn't trying to aura farm. Stop aura farming. Did a backflip in front of the huzz. Oh my gosh, ready? You know what's so much aura? Walking into the function with Duke Dennis with huzz all around. Okay. That gives you a 1,000 aura, but it cost. But in order to get Duke Dennis, you literally need like 20k aura, bro. Trust. You need 20k aura. So let's do if points. DJing at a rave. Is that aura? Low key, yeah. Okay, so this is 100k aura. You need 100k aura to do this. So you can walk into a function with Duke Dennis with huzz all around. Or how about walk into the function with Duke Dennis? Walk into the function with Duke Dennis and dapping up. Who should he dap up? Dapping up Barack Obama. That's so aura. If you dap up Barack Obama, that's actually aura. Oh, really? Oh, damn. Plus 1,000 per click. Yeah. Come on, Rico. Get with the program, right? You just lost all your aura, man. Come on. Oh wait. Actually, wait. I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'll just do 100,000. You need a lot of aura to do that. To walk into the function with Duke Dennis and dap up Barack Obama. So I'm gonna get rid of 100,000 points, but your interval is now 1,000. Okay, and then now I need to do another one. Okay, ready to ore farm? Okay, 30, boom. Need 1,000 aura. Okay. Oh, whoa. Whoa! Wait, why did it appear so much? Wait, that appeared way too much. Hold on. Is it because... Oh, you know why? It's because of this. I see. Because, yeah, you need to do a new item. So item 3, item 3, item 3,
Oh, so much aura.
item 3, aura. Okay, item 3. Click upgrade 3. Upgrade 3. Okay, I see. Okay. Wait, did I call the... Yeah. Okay. I'm getting a lot of aura. I'm aura farming. Oh, wait. But now is it... Why is it doing that on click now? Was it doing that before? It wasn't, though. Wait, what did I do wrong? Why is it adding... It's adding a lot more item 2s now. Item 3. Hold my mom again. Are we back? Hello? Okay. Don't know. Crochet. Wait, then why am I doing... Wait, so on click. Because now every single time I click it, it's adding a new thing. It's creating a new... Is it creating a new element? Am I doing this wrong then? 3, 3, 3. New item. Item 1. New item. Oh, because item 3. Just do that. Is that what it's doing? So find out. Why is it creating new backflip ones, bro? What the heck? Oh, because if the points is greater than 1,000, you keep doing it. But now it's just gonna keep on doing that. So how do I make it stop? While how to do if statement once. How to do if statement once, then never again. If the points goes greater than 1,000, call or do this. Make a new item. I don't know, make new items though. Make it so once the program reaches a number, it doesn't repeat. I'm confused. While, say a while loop. For loop for or isn't there like a while, a do while if it's actually 30 if points is greater than oh damn. Function called once. Let has been called equal false. Return function return if I apply this args. Wait, to ensure you can use a closure track to whether they come before. Here's like this. Let has been called equals false. Return function if 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 it has not been called, has been called equals true. Return if and apply this to args. Function this dot apply args. Then you can use a create. If all executed equals true, do something. Return function. If something equals function var executed. Say with a real nope. Call again. So if function dot fired return true. Okay. Excuse me this. Let's get stack up though. If has been called, return function create one's function. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Wait. It's called again. I feel like that might just break my stuff, bro. Alright, Rico. Should I resort to AI? I'm doing it. How to make.
Maybe you sit on this idea for 85 minutes.
So I continue another day.
Yeah, maybe sometimes I like to. I like less certain ideas when I hear it.
I just want to see what they would do. How the thing would do it. How ChatGPT would do it. Update cookie count, cookie per click. An upgrade button. Create element button. Click, upgrade per click. How to make multiple upgrade. So let's see what they did here. So they did, yep, cookies per click. It has a timeout thing. Upgrades. Oh, it creates an object. Grid 1, cost 50, function, cookie per click. 2, cookies per second. Oh, it creates an object. Get elements. Host, click on cookie button, add a written listener, click. And then a function. Count, upgrade, cookie count. Function to update the upgrade buttons and based on available cookies. Class list remove, disabled. Function to handle purchasing upgrades. Okay, in function to create and display upgrade buttons. Alright. Okay, I kind of understand. So, I'm doing this completely different. So what I can do is create an object. I can create to do. Create object that stores every upgrade. Then or add a function that compares the price to the object upgrade and sees whether I can buy or not. Alright. Add no upgrade button to the to it whenever Quora point meets require. All right. Hi, chat. Well, that's the stream for today. I think I see how ChatGPT did it. I'm gonna try to do it on my own, though. I'm not gonna copy. But it looks like I did get some good work today, right, Enrico? A lot of aura farming today. I think there is a bug though. A fix me. Buttons keep spawning after click due to if statements in button pressed. I'll move that. Actually, I'll move that. Sure. Okay. All right, chat. Well, that's enough oral farming for today. That's enough oral farming for today. Good work. Good work today, I think. Good work. Good work. All right. About to end stream. Anything you want to say, Enrico, for my first stream in a while?
Thanks for watching, guys. This up and coming Renaissance man, Critico.
Yes.
Longtime viewers can call him Joel.
Yes, sir. All right. Peace out, y'all. GG's, an hour.